Just watch this video.
We never asked for anything, and we never got anything. We probably won't get anything unless I decide to use excessive strength and force where we would be, frankly, unstoppable. But I won't do that. Okay? Now everyone's saying, oh, good. That's probably the biggest statement I made, because people thought I would use force. I don't have to use force. I don't want to use force. I won't use force. All the United States is asking for is a place called Greenland, where we already had it as a trustee, but respectfully returned it back to Denmark not long ago after we defeated the Germans, the Japanese, the Italians, and others in World War II. We gave it back to them. We were a powerful force then, but we are a much more powerful force now. But now what I'm asking for is a piece of ice, cold and poorly located, that can play a vital role in world peace and world protection. It's a very small ask compared to what we have given them for many, many decades.
The reason that Trump treats European leaders like this is because he thinks they're weak. And if we want that to stop happening, there's only one thing we need to do, which is to build up our own defences, because in the end he is not going to respect people who can't defend themselves. And I think this is the thing that really sticks in many people's throats, the contrast in the way Donald Trump treats Vladimir Putin and Xi Jinping, and actually Netanyahu in Israel, with respect.
Is that because they're strong men?
And the way he treats European leaders with contempt. And that is because we are weak.
Yeah, you heard it all, man. Trump said that he's not going to use force to take up the Greenland, but he's just asking just for a piece of the land. Drop your comment below and let's hear from your own opinion.